I want to say something clearly once, and then I'm moving on. Some of you may know, or may have seen online, that years ago I stood as a parliamentary candidate, and later as a Senate candidate. That's a matter of public record, and I'm not here to rewrite it or hide it from it. At the time, I believed I was doing the right thing. I cared deeply about Cymru Wales, about people, about fairness, and that part of me hasn't changed. What has changed is my understanding of where my energies belong. Over time, I came to realise that party politics, the culture of it, the machinery of it, isn't where I do my best work, and it isn't where I'm at peace. I've spoken critically at times, especially when old frustrations surface, but I've recognised that continuing to engage like that keeps me tied to something I've already outgrown. This is me drawing a line. I'm not making political videos going forward. I'm not campaigning for or against any party. I'm not relitigating the past. I respect the fact that others will choose different paths. That's democracy. But mine now lies elsewhere. My focus is on my creative work, my acting, my writing, my teaching, and the things that genuinely build rather than drain me. I don't regret caring. I don't regret trying. But I do choose very consciously to step away. This is my closing statement on that chapter. Thank you for listening, and now I'm moving forward.